Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Doug and this is episode 2 of getting the most out of your fitted caps in a new short video series that I've created. Today the topic we're going to cover is one of my most popular videos since uploading, and this is repairing dents and creases in your fitted caps. In a longer video that I posted, I went through about 3 or 4 techniques that show you how to do that. This is a condensed and shortened version of those techniques. So in terms of equipment that you'll need for this, you will definitely want a hair dryer, soft towels or a t-shirt that can be used as stuffing inside of the cap. And in order to use some of the advanced techniques that I show in the video as well, you'll want a bump cap insert, which is a tool that I always recommend if you're going to buy and own and wear a lot of fitted caps. Possibly a size 1 soccer ball, which can be picked up at different sporting goods stores and happens to be pretty close to the size and shape of average heads. And also a flat steam iron that you might use for ironing your clothes. Now, with the equipment list out of the way, let's get right into it. Now, down below in the description, I've got links to some of my longer and classic videos that teach you how to shape, stretch, shrink, otherwise edit and maintain your caps. You can check those out if you're further interested. But other than that, as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.